Updates ni David Licauco sa post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Kasama niya si Nikiko. Pares silang brand ambassador ng Hennessy at pares din silang may lahing Chinese. At ang sabi dito, are looking dapper as they attend the Hennessy Chinese New Year pop-up media launch in Greenbelt Pike, Fashion Walk, Makati City. Yan pa yung highlights. David Licauco sa event ng Hennessy. May kaguluhan dyan si David may hawak pa siyang props for Hennessy. Kasama niya yung kalahi niya si Nikiko. Nagkasama rin sila dati sa Manopo Legacy. David niya yun, bago niya endorsement bilang brand ambassador ng Hennessy. David Licauco. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell para lang updated po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.